If you use Firefox every day, you might be missing two of its coolest hidden Easter eggs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find them quickly and exactly what happens when you open them. These are fun little built-in surprises that Firefox fans have been discovering for years. And they're perfect if you enjoy browser tricks, tech history, or just hidden features that make your software experience a little more interesting. If you enjoy videos like this, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first Easter egg is called About Robots. To try it, open Firefox and click the address bar at the top. Type About Robots and press Enter. That's all you need to do. As soon as the page loads, Firefox will show you a robot-themed message with a playful sci-fi style layout. It includes fun pop culture references, including a nod to the day the Earth stood still from 1951. It's a small detail, but it's a great example of how browsers sometimes hide clever references inside built-in pages. Now, here's the fun part. On the About Robots page, you'll see a button that says Try Again. If you click it, Firefox responds with the classic line, "Please do not press this button again." It's one of those simple jokes that makes the feature memorable, and it's exactly the kind of hidden browser Easter egg people love to share. Next, let's look at the second Easter egg, called the Book of Mozilla. To open it, click back into the Firefox address bar and type About Mozilla, then press Enter. This brings up a dramatic maroon page with mysterious text written in the style of biblical verses. It looks serious at first glance, but it's actually a cryptic hidden message that tells part of Firefox's browser history in a stylized way. The Book of Mozilla page is especially interesting because it references the long history of the browser, including Netscape's battle with Internet Explorer and the eventual rise of Firefox. It feels like a secret message for browser fans, and it's one of the most iconic hidden pages in Firefox. If you've never seen it before, it's definitely worth checking out at least once. So to recap, the two hidden Firefox Easter eggs we covered are about robots and about Mozilla. Both are built right into the browser, both are easy to open, and both are fun examples of how software can include a little personality. You don't need any extensions, extra tools, or complicated settings. Just type the special address into Firefox and enjoy the surprise. If this video helped you discover something new, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful software tips, hidden features, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.